According to the Convention on the Rights of the Child, CRC, each child has the right to be free from sexual and domestic abuse, Article 34, and the right to an education, Article 28. From the period 2017 to 2020, the Rights of the Child Commission, RCC, has found that these rights have been compromised in Guyana. As the Rights of the Child Commission's most recent report was presented to the Speaker of the National Assembly, Manzoor Nadir, on Monday at the public building's Brickdam, chairperson of the organization, Manzoor Nadir, said that the cases of child abuse, neglect, and incest across the country continues to distress the Commission.
Neglect, a lot of abuse, a lot of incest, and these things have been bothering us. There's a lot of things that are happening to our children. A lot of them are not in schools, especially now with the COVID. A great many of them are not in school. They are not exposed to schooling of any sort.
Other findings of the report revealed that the country is dealing with an influx of migrants from neighboring countries. Stating that this challenge is not unique to Guyana, the Speaker explained that in many cases, the migrants are Guyanese by birth that would have repatriated with their alien families. Nadir made it clear that protecting the rights of children, regardless of where they come from, must be high on the agenda of government. This honors the CRC's Article 22, which states that, I quote, "States parties shall take appropriate measures to ensure that a child who is seeking refugee status or who is considered a refugee shall receive appropriate protection and humanitarian assistance," end of quote.
Guyana can't turn away these kids. We have to do everything in our power to ensure that we could afford them the opportunity that is enshrined in their rights, regardless if they are coming over the border legally or illegally.
Touching on the recommendations enshrined in the report, the RCC's Deputy Chairperson Rosemary Benjamin Noble said that many of the recommendations are not new and in fact have been rolling over yearly.
We have found that there are lots of children who need to be exposed to what are their human rights, what is in the Convention on the Rights of the Child, and therefore we sought through that mechanism to have those children be given leadership training through those camps.
The Rights of the Child Commission is an independent body with constitutional powers that represents and seeks to protect and empower Guyana's children and youth. The Speaker said that the documents which covers the reporting period of 2017 to 2020 will be made public after circulation in the National Assembly. Nadir complimented the Commission for the work done in the past years. Article 212 of the Constitution states that, I quote, "As soon as practicable, at the end of each year, the Commission shall submit to the National Assembly an annual report of the activities of the previous year, and that report shall be tabled within 30 days, end of quote. Reporting for the HGP Nightly News, I'm El Griffith.